Ayan. Step number 3 guys, choose a reliable broker. Okay, broker po is yung ginagamit natin na platform kung saan ito po ang way para po mapag-trade tayo sa forex market. Okay? Look for a broker regulated by reputable authorities, example FCA, ASIC, or CFTC. And pwede nyo po i-check yung broker nyo through Google and check nyo lang po if regulated sila ng mga reputable authorities na to. Okay? And then also evaluate trading platforms if they are actually offer a MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Ang tawag po natin dyan is MT4 or MT5. And meron ding C-Trader. Okay? Normally, MT4 and MT5 naman po ang madalas na ginagamit. You can also check or compare the fees like spreads and leverage options. Also, check if the broker is also offering a demo account. Okay? Kadalasan naman po sa mga brokers meron pong demo account. Okay? Para po makapag-start po kayo and then makapag-practice. Libre naman po yun. And then, pag may questions po kayo, message nyo lang kami. Pwede namin kayong i-guide kung paano po makapag-open and start sa demo account and paano makapag-start sa forex trading.